Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today with another vlog. So for those of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, I will be doing a decluttering Sunday reset. So today is actually Sunday. It's currently like 10:30 in the morning. I am so excited for today just because I love to clean. I love to reset. I love to organize. It just makes me feel so good. It is like my hobby to me. I love doing all of that. So I've been waiting for this moment. I was actually in Europe for about 25 days. I was supposed to be there for 30 days. But I did end my trip 5 days earlier. It was a good trip. I just got homesick. I missed my routine. I wasn't eating for a couple days just because I was so tired of the food. I did also get a lot of anxiety. So with that being said, I am finally now home. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna be doing a lot today. So I'm gonna be doing laundry, cleaning my bathroom, and also cleaning my guest room. I'm gonna be decluttering. So it's gonna take me a little longer just because I wanna make sure everything in my bathroom is well organized, really clean, and is shining bright like a diamond. I will also be doing another video after this, decorating my living room and also kitchen. I purchased some brand new couches. I got over the ones that I have, and I also bought a lot of home decor, so I will be doing a lot more home videos. So make sure you guys turn your post notifications on if you want to go ahead and get alerted when I post a new video. So today I'm not having a pre-workout, and I usually have a pre-workout every single day before working out, and it just gets me throughout the day. I don't drink coffee, but I do like to drink these when I don't drink any pre-workout. So this is a sparkling icy water. It is 0 sugar. It is blue raspberry and it has caffeine. It tastes amazing. So I'm gonna be drinking this to get my day started. And I did also buy myself some flowers. I've had these for about 6 days now and they still look so pretty. I've been taking good care of them. They are still blooming. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little overview of what my bathroom looks like right now. It is pretty messy. To you guys, it might not look that messy, but to me it is, just because things are not that organized. I have a lot of empty bottles. I need to go ahead and clean my mirror. It looks really dirty, as well as my sinks. I need to go ahead and refill my soap dispensers, and then also fill all of my floss, Q-tips, cotton pads, and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this section here. So down there I have all of my hair bands, clips, and hair tools, also brushes. So I need to go ahead and like clean these out. I need to clean out my brushes. In this drawer, I do have a couple empty bottles. Like this is empty. I do also need to restock on all of this, like buy some more hairspray, buy more hair products, and all of that. I'm gonna be clearing everything out and then also dusting it and wiping it. And then in this section here, I do have all of my skincare and just other stuff down there. I have to get rid of a lot of this skincare. Some of it, it's already like empty bottles. Like this is empty. I just haven't threw it away. It's my tanning lotion. And right over here on top, I need to fill these up. I really like these ones. These are so cute. I actually got these ones from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna be going tomorrow to go get some more decor. And then here, this is just my teeth whitening. I do have an Invisalign, so I always whiten my teeth at night. And then in this cabinet here, I do have just random things in here. So I have these containers that I had in LA. I did just bring them back, so I just threw them in here. And here is like my bath bombs, and then my face steamer. And then we have some soaking salts, and then some extra bubble bath in there. And then in the bottom, I just keep some towels. I do want to go ahead and buy some new towels to restock them. I'm gonna also be cleaning my tub, dusting all of this over here, and then my shower, I do need to clean it. I have so many empty bottles right there in the middle, as well as that corner. I need to go ahead and just deep clean the entire shower, which I will be doing that. So this is what everything looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by cleaning this section. And I forgot to show you guys this section. This is just my toilet, but I do need to restock my wipes. I do want to also buy like a little table here so I can put my wipes, and then like an air freshener. I am actually gonna start off by putting this rug in the washer, as well as this towel, and then this towel here, and then this towel here, and just other towels that I have like behind this door. So I'm gonna start off by doing that. usually what I do is all my brushes, like once they're kind of dirty, I just toss them and I buy new ones. But I am trying not to do that anymore just because I don't want to keep wasting brushes. Like this is still good, I just kind of need to wash it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this sink with hot water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put like some shampoo. I just went ahead and put my hair shampoo in here with the hot water, and I just threw in all my brushes. I am now gonna be cleaning this tray where I keep all of my brushes. So this doesn't have any more. I'm gonna go ahead and take out everything from this drawer here. I do need to buy more hair products. I feel like everything in here is just so empty already. This cabinet now looks nice and clean and also empty. I did throw away a couple of shampoos that I no longer use. I am now moving on to my skincare and all of my travel size stuff. I'm going to start off by just removing everything and then wiping it down and also dusting. And then with this cabinet here, I do have a lot more stuff. So I think I'm going to be using the little drawer containers here because I have these two sections and it does not look good. So happy now. Everything looks so much better, so much cleaner. So towards the back of this cabinet, I did put all of my nail stuff because I don't really use it. Down here, I just put 2 razors, and then I'll probably just put random things in here just because I don't really use that much razors. I do get lasers, so I just have 2. And then in here, I have all of my tooth stuff, so my whitening shreds, my Invisalign, my whitening gels, and then just my toothbrush. And then here I have some of my skincare tools like my exfoliator, Clarisonic, and then I do also have a couple of treatments like for pimples. And then at the bottom I just have vaginal stuff. And then on this side I have all of my face mask, like all the sheets. And then down here I have all of my mini lotions. Right over there I have all of my skincare travel size and then hair care travel size. And then right up here I kind of moved it around a little bit. So in here I put all of my serums, and then here I just have 2 face masks, and then I have my toners and then another face mask. Here I have some makeup wipes. I don't really use makeup wipes anymore. I started using this cleansing balm from True Botanicals. It works really good. It also smells very good. And I've noticed ever since I stopped using makeup wipes, I did stop breaking out. But I just have them here just in case, just for an emergency. And then in this section here, I just have my 2 cleansers. I do need to buy some more skincare, like more cleansers. And then in here, I have my moisturizers, my deodorant, and all of my body stuff here. I am now moving on to the shower. So I'm going to be throwing some of these away. So this one is empty. My shaving cream is also empty. I do need to fill up my body wash, my hair shampoo, and conditioner. And I'm also going to be throwing away these razors. And these little clear things, I did get them from Amazon. I really like them. I used to use the things that go here to hold everything, but it just didn't look pretty. So I did purchase these, and I also got these ones from Shein. I'm going to be using these to clean this little clear thing here. I just finished cleaning my shower. I'm now gonna go ahead and start cleaning this bathtub. I'm gonna be using this shower spray from Target. It is eucalyptus. Anything eucalyptus I love. And I'm also gonna be using this electric scrub. This is such a life changer. I used to hate going down and just scrubbing the tub, especially because this tub is so big. This is the new little pillow that I got from HomeGoods. I'm gonna be putting it here. I just finished cleaning my toilet. So I usually like to use this to clean the toilet. I use that to clean inside the toilet, and then outside the toilet, I usually just use these Clorox wipes. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.